Imagine two restaurants. The first is a masterpiece. The food is incredible, the atmosphere is perfect. The owner is a genius chef who works 80 hours a week. He makes a very good living. The second restaurant is McDonald's. The food is consistent. The process is a system. The founder, Ray Kroc, wasn't a chef, yet he became one of the richest men in the world. What was the secret he understood that the genius chef didn't? He understood the power of the franchise model. It's a secret formula for scalable wealth that goes far beyond burgers and fries. And by the end of this video, you will know how to apply this same model to your own financial life. The genius chef owns a job, not a business. His income is directly tied to his time and his single location. To make more money, he has to be there, cooking. He can raise prices or serve a few more tables, but his growth has a hard, physical ceiling. This is the trap of linear wealth. No matter how talented, his income curve is limited. His success is tied to his effort, and when he stops, so does the money. Ray Kroc's genius was that he was not in the burger business. He was in the systems business. He created a perfect, repeatable blueprint, the same pickles, the same cooking time, the same store layout. He built a business in a box. Then came the power of duplication. Instead of flipping burgers himself, he sold the system to thousands of franchisees. His new job was not to cook, but to teach others how to cook his way. He detached his income from his time. While the chef could serve 100 people a night, Kroc's system could serve 100 million. This is the essence of scalable wealth. Step 1. Build your prototype. Your first step is to create a valuable, repeatable process. This could be anything: a method for investing in dividend stocks, a system for creating a budget, a template for a profitable online store. You must perfect your secret formula first. Step 2. Franchise your knowledge. Instead of just using your formula, you franchise it. You package it so that others can use it too. This is where you create your digital asset. It could be a detailed ebook, an online course, or a paid newsletter. You create it once and you sell it infinitely. That is your business in a box. Step 3. Collect your royalties. Every time someone buys your product, you are collecting a royalty, just like Ray Kroc did. You are no longer trading hours for dollars, you're running a scalable empire. You've moved from being the chef to being the franchisor. The lesson of McDonald's is simple: stop being the chef. Start being the franchisor. Stop trading your time for money. Start building systems that can be duplicated at scale. The richest people in the world don't own a single restaurant. They own the recipe. The goal is not to have the best burger, the goal is to have the best blueprint. So ask yourself, what is the blueprint you are going to create? If you are ready to stop cooking and start building your franchise, subscribe to Quantum Fortunes. We provide the blueprints for builders.